Hi, this is Rinku, and today I will tell you how to ask God for true freedom. Doing a better job, having good foods, and shelter doesn't mean that you are truly free. Truly free means where you can fulfill your each and every desires, where you can go everywhere. By the true freedom, you can have your own things possible. No man can give you the true freedom. Your job can give you the true freedom, but only God can give you the true freedom. And today I'll tell you how to ask God for true freedom. God says He is the true freedom, and if you have God, then you are truly free. But how to experience it in the reality? If you want to be truly free, then pray God. Praying God will give you real victory. Prayer gives victory, and by the prayer, you can have your own true freedom. When you will be truly free, you can fulfill your heart's greatest desires and dreams. Truly free means when you pursue your own dreams and desires, when you pursue your dreams as your profession. Doing jobs for others doesn't mean that you are truly free. Truly free means when you have your own dreams and desires as your passion and profession. Living your own dreams and desires as your profession is the true freedom. And with the true freedom, you can be truly happy. You can be you can have your true joy. You can live a heavenly life in this earth. So you need to ask God for true freedom. Don't seek freedom anywhere. Go to the God. Going to the God means you are praying to the God. Pray God so that He can give you the true freedom. I am not free right now, I know. But I am asking God for true freedom. And when I will have the true freedom, I will let you know. I want this freedom in this reality, in the real life, not in my imagination or dreams. I want my dreams come true as soon as possible so that I can live a better life in my promised land. I want to encourage you more and more day to day. I want to explain you about the life with God. So be with me. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. God bless you exceedingly and abundantly.